Hey guys, welcome to Southern Ingenuity. My name's Theobald Hedman. Today's video, just a quick little project, something I've been meaning to do for a while now. Built this workbench to house some of my power tools. And before I had it, the tools were just kind of living here in the floor behind my welding table. And I'd have to set the tools up on the table when I got ready to use them, and then set them in the floor and work around them when I wasn't. And I recently bought me a new belt sander and a bench grinder to add to the lineup. So with the floor getting a little bit crowded, I figured it's time to build these guys a home. And the best part about it, it didn't cost me a dime to do it. Everything that I used was either something that was left over from another project or I already had available here in the shop, including some not so typical shelf mounting brackets. And you're not going to believe what I made them out of, so make sure you hang around to find out. Now that was just a quick, simple little project, nothing really complicated at all about it. But like I said before, the best part about it, it was completely free. It didn't cost me nothing but a little bit of time to do it. The workbench itself is actually a walkboard that I made for working at elevated positions when I was building my shop. And it's made from two 12-foot 2x6s and some 7/16 OSB board. Now the shelf mounting brackets, not really shelf mounting brackets at all. They're actually running board mounting brackets that I took from the frame of a 1978 F600 box truck. And I used that box truck frame to make a grader to pull behind my tractor for grading a dirt road that runs across my property. Heck, even the lag screws that I used to support it was salvaged from an old deer stand. Waste not, want not, is what they say. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hadn't already, click the subscribe button. I got some more videos on the way. So until next time, I'm Theobald Hedman. Thanks for watching Southern Ingenuity.